received the information from the collector and the deputy collector. Okay, immediately we pressed our boats. Our petrol boat from Captain of Ports was just put in service, and immediately we also took some three boats from the private owners over here, and they were also immediately put in for the search and rescue operation there. They did their level best, but it was unfortunate that we were unable to locate. Even the divers, I think, we brought, so we are unable to locate the body. Unfortunately.
How many
So
boats you have
till
as a captain?
We have around six boats. Okay. Also, we have got small dinghies, around six dinghies, plus another four are on order. Small dinghies that can do any rescue operations. Low free water.
so last night till what time the operation was still on?
Yeah, the operation was on till around 10:30. Because some of the boats, our boat was still over there, but the other three boats were, two boats were out at around 9:30.
Okay. And today morning also there is.
Yeah, today morning also the search is still on.
So as of now it's on.
As of now also is on.
So,
So after the incident, you will be doing any patrolling work because such incident many times happen. Some people do suicide or something.
Petroleum is always on. Okay, but the suicide, what are taking from the bridge, See, in Japan, where we used to, where I used to, when on the ship, okay, they have the bridges over there. Okay, they have this fully covered fence right on top, so that no one can jump over there. So these things has to be implemented over here. Okay, so this, because this will avoid all this suicide thing. No one will come here.
सगळं ब्रिजांचेर हे आसलें
Yes,
it's like
because this in you go to for any foreigner, everything bridge is covered with a fence, netting fence.
So you will be suggesting to the minister also all these
Uh,
things because this
yes,
is safety of the Goans.
They all know. Maybe we have to take the initiative to do this.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.